Hi guys! Today we will be making this delicious vanilla cake that is so soft that you can't resist. To get started, add 3 whole eggs to a bowl. Then start beating them at medium speed. After beating for a few minutes, you should see a consistency like this. Now, add 130 grams of white sugar to the same bowl while beating. After beating for a few more minutes, you can now add in 120 milliliters of either canola or olive oil to the mix. Now you can add in 1 teaspoon vanilla as well. Now that that's done, we are now going to add in 150 grams of plain white flour into a sieve, as well as 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add in a pinch of salt into the same bowl. Then you can now start combining everything together like I'm showing now, and make sure you don't overmix or undermix, as it can change the consistency after baking. Next, add in 60 milliliters of full cream milk into the same mix. Combine well like I do here. After that's all done, now transfer everything into a loaf tray. Now, if you want the best quality cake, you need to take a small piece of wooden stick and run it through the cake to prevent bubbles from forming, which will ensure that your cake comes out of the oven very soft. Now, as the final step, put it in the oven at 120 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Now look what just came out of the oven. Isn't that the softest, no butter vanilla cake you've ever seen? Well, I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family as well. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be bringing you delicious recipes just like this one weekly. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you all next week.